In this video, I'll walk you through how to customize your Office workflow in uDesign Cloud. First, we're going to access the Office workflow settings. Once you're logged into uDesign Cloud, you'll head to the top right corner and single left click on your account menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a new option labeled Office Workflow. Next, we will customize the 4 workflow flags. The Office workflow allows you to define 4 internal flags that represent different stages or statuses within your case workflow. Each flag label can be customized to match your practice's terminology. Just keep in mind there's a 10-character limit per label. For example, you might rename them to Review, Scan, Approve, and Order, whatever fits your internal process. To edit the flag, simply click in the text field next to each flag and type your desired label. Changes are saved automatically. Now I will review how to assign or change the Office workflow. Let's explore 3 ways to assign the case to a team member within your practice and flag the case for a specific workflow. The first way to do that would be from the patient list. You can search for the case you wish to update on the patient list, and you'll single left click on the hamburger menu off to the right and choose Change Office Workflow. Select the drop-down arrow to choose the team member you wish to assign the case to, as well as the desired workflow. Once selected, click on Save. The second method you can use to change the Office workflow would be from the patient overview screen. Again, you're going to find the patient you wish to update. You'll click on the patient's name. And off to the right of the case you wish to update, you'll notice there's a hamburger menu. You'll select the hamburger menu and again choose Office Workflow and repeat those same steps and click on Save when you're finished. The third option would be from within the case itself. So once you have the case open in uDesign Cloud and you've finished reviewing the case or working on the case, and you select the Close button in the top right corner, you're going to be prompted to assign the Office workflow upon closing the case. You can click on the down arrow to assign it to the appropriate team member, as well as clicking on the down arrow to assign it to the appropriate workflow. And then I can click on Save. Now the case is closed out. You'll notice on the overview screen you have your filters, and there is a new filter option up here at the top. I can now filter my cases based on the workflow, so I can easily see what cases I need to work on by using the filter. And that's it. You've now seen how to customize your Office workflow flags and assign cases in 3 different ways. One of the best parts about the Office workflow feature is that it syncs seamlessly across both uDesign Desktop and uDesign Cloud, keeping your entire team aligned no matter where they're working. This feature is designed to give your practice more control and clarity over internal case management.